Hi everyone. Welcome to a brand new podcast episode. I am Darcy, your host. Do you need dependable and effective burner service for your commercial or industrial boiler in Australia? Contact O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd, your trusted partner in burner maintenance and repair. Their comprehensive burner services are designed to keep your system running at peak performance. Also, their highly skilled technicians provide high-quality burner diagnostic, maintenance, and repair. You can get prompt and reliable emergency services, available 24/7 to ensure the smooth operation of your system. O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd are a trusted supplier of boilers, burners, used boilers, and many more. For any inquiries, contact them at 1300771759 or visit o'brienenergy.com.au for more details. So, this concludes today's episode. I will be back with another informative topic. So, stay tuned.